The floor of the building is a rectangle cut from 3/8-inch plywood, which I've already done. The plans you see here are for the front and rear of the building, and they will be on 1/4-inch plywood. The PDF download gives you full-size drawings for everything from the building to the animals to the baby Jesus in a manger. The front and back are large enough that they take 2 pages each when printed. You just match the lines, tape the pages together, then attach them to the plywood and cut. The plans are from Lloyd's Wood Toy Plans, and I will give you the link in the description. There's nothing complicated about the cuts for this building. Just follow the lines and let the blade do the work. There is one internal cut for the arched window. I suggest the number 3 Pegas Modified Geometry blade to cut the 1/4-inch plywood. If you don't have a number 3, use a number 5. Slow down the blade speed if you have an adjustable speed saw. I made the internal cut for the arched window, the small entrance for the storage area on the right side, and the large opening first. Then I made the cuts at the top for the slope of the roof. I make it a habit to do the inside cuts first on most projects, especially on thin stock. There's a small notch cut in one part of the roof, which is there to accept a 3/8-inch roof support beam. All right, first assembly is done on the Nativity set. The bottom, the left and right walls, the back and the front, and there's a little storage area in there. I guess it is. I don't know. There's a little door in the bottom here, and a roof and a thing on the inside. But I'm ready now for the roof. Those pieces are measured, ready to go. It's going to be interesting glue up. Let's see how it works. And the other side. Diagram show you how to put everything together. There's the camel, and there's one of the wise men. The wise men are several. The body is one part. There's 2 smaller arms, and then there's a little one of the gifts on top. So it gives you a pretty good idea how to put everything together. I'm going to start with the animals. I've had a lot of experience assembling animals, and for me, the process that works best is to glue the legs on one side first, then let the glue dry until the pieces no longer move before flipping the body over and adding the legs to the second side. You can then make sure the animal is going to sit flat when you position the second set of legs. The front and rear legs for the animals are shaped differently, and the diagram makes it clear how to orient them. Just place some glue on the areas that will come in contact and press the pieces together. Sometimes I use clamps to hold the pieces together, but I've found that for small pieces like this, most of the time clamping is not necessary. Once the animals and people were complete, I gave them an oil finish. The oil brushes on quickly and easily, and it's fast drying. The oil is child safe, and it brings out the natural color and grain of the wood. This is what the completed set looks like. As you can see, it has quite a bit of detail. It has windows, a little storage area with 2 levels on the right side. On the inside, there's a little ladder leading up to the second level. There's a camel, a donkey, and a sheep, plus 3 angels. I'm only showing one of them here. Inside the stable, I have Mary and Joseph kneeling at the manger where the baby Jesus was laying. On the other side, we have the 3 wise men, each carrying a different gift for the newborn king. I haven't decided yet whether I want to cut another plywood base that all this would sit on. What do you think? Is it necessary or not? If I do make it, what color should I paint it? As always, please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I love receiving comments, and I will reply to every one. Please subscribe to the channel and click the alarm button to make sure you are notified every time I release a new video.